travelers, come check out Universal's Stella Nova Hotel with us.
You can't miss the big open lobby, but keep watching to find a secret area we did find. With a walking path to Epic and complimentary bus transportation to the other theme parks and City Walk, this is an affordable home base for your Universal vacation. We reserved a standard 2-queen room and were delighted to see that we even had a view of Epic from our window. They have standard outlets and USB ports by the bed, and even more on the dresser. Each room has a coffee maker and a mini fridge. In the lobby, you can visit the Nova Bar and try some themed cocktails. Cosmos has 2 places where you can get food. There is a grab-and-go market, and a cafe where they make cook-to-order food. You can even see them prepping your food in the kitchen. I ordered a hot honey chicken pizza. Like other resorts, you can get a resort-specific refillable mug, and there is a microwave in case you need to heat up any food. Going outside, the gym overlooks the pool area. The pool area is very large, with a splash play area for the kids, a big pool, and lots of chairs. They even have a place with sand so the little ones can play. On each chair, there's a tag so you can mobile order food to go pick up at the Galaxy Grill. Want some tips to plan your next Universal vacation? Click the link below to get our free planning timeline. They have swim diapers, towels, and life jackets for anyone who needs them. By the pool, there's the Galaxy Grill and the Galaxy Bar. The Galaxy Bar has different cocktails than the Nova Bar inside. These are named after constellations. Back in the lobby, you'll find a Universal Studios store, complete with Epic gear and merchandise themed to each portal of the park. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you liked and subscribed. Pick up your tickets at the Vacation Planning Center and drop your luggage to have a fun-filled day. A little secret we found: on the 3rd floor, there's a special nighttime ceiling section.